guys, welcome back. Today is actually a rainy day here in Fort Smith, and I'm actually in our classroom, and it's kind of sad. It's empty in here, but I really wanted to use our easel, our board, because I'm going to be teaching you something new today, okay? Last week we learned how to regroup when the number was bigger than 10. Remember when we had to carry or make a 10 on the tens column? Yeah, it was kind of different, wasn't it? Yeah. So I think we were doing pretty good with that. That's been 2 weeks of regrouping with addition. So what do you think we're going to do today? Yeah, I'm going to teach you how to regroup with subtraction. I know. Okay, so let's do a problem, and I'll show you what I'm talking about, okay? And remember, this is going to be a challenge. It's like the last thing you learn before you go to second grade. So this is going to be a challenge. If it's hard for you, then just do the review pages that I gave you. But if you want to challenge yourself by the end of the summer and learn this new math that we're learning, watch this video and follow along, okay? You can do it. All right, let's say Mr. Zerba went fishing with his buddies. He likes to do that. And together they caught 32 fish. So 32 fish. And, you know, sometimes they're too small and they don't measure too big, so you have to throw them back. So let's say they had to throw back 17, okay? So they had 32 fish, and they threw back, or took away, I mean subtract, 17. Uh-oh. So let's look at this. I'm looking at this number. 2, take 7 away. If you have 2, can you take 7 away? No. And sometimes what kids do, they'll just say, oh, 2 minus 7 is 5. Is that true? No, the 7 is not at the top. The 2 is at the top. So you have to start at the top. 2 ones minus 7 ones. You can't do that. So I'm going to show you a new way to do some subtraction. And I'm going to show you with tens and ones. All right, so here's your 32. Whoop. There you go. All right. And then we're going to use these tens and ones to help you. Okay? All right, so if you have 2 minus 7, you can't do it. But look over here. Your neighbor in the tens column has 3 tens. He's kind of greedy. He has 3 tens. I bet, just like when you have a good neighbor, I bet he'd let you borrow or have some of his ones that are inside here. What do you think? Yeah. So here's how it works. 2 minus 7, you can't do it. So I go to my 3 tens and say, hey friend, I'm going to take one of your tens away. So I'm going to cross out the 3 tens, and I'm going to change it because it's going to be, whoop, I'm going to take one of his tens away. So now what does he have left? 2 tens. I just take one of the tens away. And I can put it on this side. And there's my 1 right there, my 1 10. So now how many do I have? I have 12. All right, so now I can do it. 12 minus 7. What is 12 minus 7? So let's take 7 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And what do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 left. And now I can subtract over here too. 2 tens, take away 1 10, is 15. My answer is 15. There's a lot going on in that problem, isn't there? Yeah, it's brand new, so we're going to go back and do it one more time to show you. And this is called, borrowing or regrouping. It has lots of different names, and I lost my marker. Okay, so let's try it again. Just so you're clear about what Ms. Herbal did. Okay, the question was 32 minus 17. And I got my 32. All right, you ready? 2 minus 7, you couldn't do it. So your friend has 3 tens. So you cross out the 3 tens, and you take 1 away, so you make that a 2. We're giving it to our neighbor. So now our neighbor has one of the tens. 1 10 and 2 is a 12. And now I could subtract. 12 minus 7 was 5. That's why knowing your addition and subtraction facts are really going to help you now in this. And then 2 tens, take 1 away, is 1. 15 is your answer. All right, how'd you do on that one the second time around? Better? It's getting easier? All right, so let's try some more with different numbers. Erase it speedy quick if you're following along. Good job. All right, let's try another one. I'm just going to give you some numbers. How's that? Because we want to keep practicing. Let's say, 43 minus 37. Okay? 43 minus 37. So let's make 40, 1, 2, 3. 43. All right. You ready? All right. Same problem. You look at your ones. If you have 3, can you take 7 away? No. So we have to do something different. We have to borrow from our friend. He has 4 tens. He's greedy. Give me one of your tens. So 3 minus 7, you can't do it. So borrow 1 from your neighbor. Cross out the 4. Make it a 3. Because now you have 3 tens. And now I'm going to give the 1 10 over here. Don't forget to put your 1 over there. And now I have what number? 13, a 1 and a 3. Do you see the 13? So, 13, what's 13 minus 7? What is 13 minus 7? Okay, how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There you go. But knowing those subtraction tables will help you. All right, so 3 minus 3. What is 3 minus 3? 3, take 3 away, is 0. So the answer is 6. Okay? Even though there's a 0 there, that just means you could actually even leave it blank if you want, but it means 0, 6, which means the answer is 6. And let's see if that's true. Let's do 43. 43 minus 37, and we're going to check our answer. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. And how much is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is the answer. We just checked to make sure we were correct. 43 minus 37 is 6. Good job. All right. Erase it speedy quick. Okay. Some more challenging math for you. All right, let's see. Let's try 31 minus, did we have 31 already? Here, let's make it 33. 33 minus 15. There you go. 33 minus 15. All right, how will we do it? 33 minus 15. So let's try it. If I have 3 1s, can I take away 5? No. But my friend has 3 10s, so we can borrow 1 from him, can't we? Yeah, say, hey buddy, you have 3 10s. I'm going to take 1 away and make this a 2 10s and put my 1 over here, because that's 1 10 that I borrowed. So now I have 13. 10 and 3, 13. And now I could subtract. 13 minus 5. What is 13 minus 5? So 3, 4, 5. How many is that? Should have gotten 8. Good. What's 2 10s? 2 10s minus 1 of the 10s. That's 1. Answer is 18. Good job. All right, let's see. Now, you don't have 10s and 1s at your house, do you? No. We do at school, but we don't have them at our house. So we're going to redo this problem, and I'm going to let you draw them so you can see. Okay? Uh-oh, it was 33, wasn't it? Yeah. 33 minus 15. And we're going to draw them instead of use our 10s and 1s. So 10, that's too fat, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. All right, so 3 minus 5, you can't do it. So you cross out the 3 tens, and make this a 2 tens. Okay, and you're going to put the 10 over here and the 1 over here because I have one new 10. So the new number becomes 13. 13 minus 5. 1, 2, 3. Okay, minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's 8 left. Okay, got that part? Good. 2 tens minus 1 10 is what? 1. Your answer is 18. All right. So, have your mom or your dad give you some harder problems to do if you want to challenge yourself with some subtraction with regrouping, okay? Also, in your packet, you have some adding and subtracting. Crazy hair today in the rain. In your packet, you have some adding and subtracting to do. That is review. It doesn't have any of this borrowing, okay, or this carrying over. It's just a review page to make sure you can do it fast, okay? So work on that. Ask your parents to challenge you, or your brother or sister. They might like to give you harder problems, okay? And keep learning.